Texas Chainsaw Vodcast. The flickering of the typography in this part of the clip gives it a bit of a creepy atmosphere. In this part of the clip, the typography is red, dark red. This emphasizes the blood and the danger that is about to become in the The wide shot of the dirty bathroom in this part of the clip shows that something dirty and disgusting happened. Titles are also represented in relation to the actions mainly on animation, and it's an olden day picture. The sounds of digging with the black screen and also the sounds of metals hitting each other creates a certain type of suspense to the viewer. And finally, the use of the chainsaw at the end of the clip links to the title of the movie.